Hey, great minds, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making a delicious beef curry sauce paired with white rice. So here are my ingredients: kidney beans, seasoning, curry powder, of course, salt, what have you. So before we start cooking, I want to share a quick story. Please don't laugh at me or judge me. I'm already laughing at myself. Growing up, I love being around the kitchen. Like I would sell akara, fried yam, fried potatoes to my friends for just a few naira. How much? 5 naira? What? I can't remember, but it was actually a few naira. I would even experiment with noodles, try it with palm oil and crayfish just to get the variant taste. My family trusted me with cooking, but I had no experience with cooking turkey because that was my mom's domain. She's a turkey lover. She eats turkey like it's her main dish, so it's her domain. One Christmas, I decided to take on the challenge. Yeah, somebody say Mora. Hi. I saw a big turkey in the backyard and thought, I've got this. I'm dance kitchen. So I cooked the turkey and chicken. After I saw the turkey, my mom later bought chicken, and it's like it's broiler. Broiler cook very fast. So my inexperience, I cooked the turkey and chicken together. By chicken, I mean broiler. But my inexperience showed. I even ended up frying the turkey, making it as hard as a rock. My mom, a turkey lover, was disappointed. But here's the thing: I learned from my experience, I learned from my mistake. I realized that if a protein isn't cooked well, no matter the seasoning, no matter the additions, it won't turn out right. The same goes for rice, beans, or any other dish. If it's not cooked properly, it won't be enjoyable. Have you tried eating half done beans? Or it won't be enjoyable, even though it's nice, but it won't be enjoyable. Fast forward to today, this beautiful pot of beef curry sauce, and I have perfected my turkey recipe, and I'm confident you will love this beef curry sauce. See it now. See what my beef curry sauce looks like. I added Dense Kitchen barbecue rub. I used it to, add flavor to the meat and other veggies like carrots and Irish potatoes before the cooking proper. Seriously, you shouldn't miss that step. Like, this pot is a pot of flavor. It's very flavorful. And for your peas, please add it to the rice. It has no business in the curry pot. Yes, it has no business in the sauce pot. Add it to the rice. It adds taste to the rice, and it's just perfect in the rice. So, and if you notice, I didn't turn my rice very well. So it's giving me one side green, one side. So please ensure you turn it very well. I had to leave it to attend to something, and it didn't give me what I wanted. So turn it thoroughly before doing any other thing. So thanks for joining me on this little story and for cooking with me today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Yeah, the one right in front of you for more recipe videos. Bye. See you in my next video. Thank you.